You've never been to a seminar like this. Far from the canned financial presentations you've sat through before, where you walk away with a full stomach and that's about it. This event is all about you. The challenges you face, the questions you have, the information you need to help build the future that you want.
You're listening to Retirement News Now.
At this event, we don't guess about what you want to know, we actually ask you. And then we take your concerns, obstacles, and goals, and use them to create a seminar that is well worth your time. You may be skeptical, and we understand why, but we guarantee by the end of this event, you'll leave one step closer to the retirement you want. There's no pressure to become a client. Our goal is simple: to give you valuable information that you can use to make smarter financial decisions. Your financial needs are unique, and you deserve to have them addressed in a unique way. Don't deny yourself the opportunity to get information that could put you in a better place to achieve your goals. I'm Negron, and I hope you'll join us at an upcoming event.